For years I felt lost, not in the physical sense, but inside. Everyone around me seemed to know what they wanted to do, what they were working towards, and what their passion was. But me? I kept trying different things, hoping something would finally click. I took jobs I didn't enjoy. I followed trends I didn't believe in. I even convinced myself I was passionate about things, just to feel like I was moving forward. But deep down I knew I wasn't fulfilled. It was frustrating. The world tells you to follow your passion, but what if you don't even know what that is? One day I decided to stop forcing it. I gave myself permission to slow down. Instead of chasing passion, I started paying attention to what made me feel alive. Not in a big dramatic way, but the small things. I asked myself simple questions. What do I enjoy doing when no one is watching? What kind of work doesn't feel like work at all? What topics make me lose track of time? Slowly, patterns started to emerge. I realized I loved learning, creating, and helping others understand difficult things in simple ways. I noticed how excited I felt when I explained something and saw it finally make sense to someone else. That was the spark. From that moment, I followed that feeling. I explored teaching, storytelling, content creation, and eventually found a way to turn it into something real. The truth is, passion often doesn't appear like a lightning bolt. It's more like a quiet voice, whispering in the background while life is loud. Sometimes you don't find your passion all at once. You discover it by following curiosity, by noticing the little things that bring you joy, and by giving yourself permission to explore without pressure. If you're feeling lost, it's okay. You're not behind. You're not late. You're just in the middle of figuring it out, and that's perfectly fine. Trust the process. Pay attention to what lights you up, because your passion might be closer than you think.